So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Barbie with you right here. And today I'm back with a haul video. And this is probably not a makeup haul but earrings, and I got some new clothes. It was like I just couldn't find a nice background because lights are all on the opposite direction. That was just annoying me. I know, I'm sorry for that guys, but please bear me for please hear the background actually for a few days, like for a few videos actually, because I know the background is really annoying because of the light. Otherwise it's all okay, but like I couldn't help myself about the light. It's okay. I have all the products lying all around here, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. And if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your guys, share with your friends and everyone you want to, and subscribe my channel. Before you leave, subscribe. So yes, subscribe to my channel, and without further more ado, let's move on to the video. So yes, I have a lot of product lying over here, and I will just say first I'll show you all the products, and in the second part, like of course in this video itself, I'll be showing you by wearing those things. So first of all, let's get started with the first and foremost product. So I've got these two pretty earrings right here, these red colored earrings. I think you can just clearly make out which type of earrings are these. So these are just so pretty. I don't remember all the prices exactly, but of course these were not so expensive. I don't remember the prices, and these look so cute. Like really, I just love these two cute earrings with like red balls over there. So yeah, right. So I would be showing you, as I said you, by wearing these in after showing you all these things right here. So this was really pretty. I just loved it. Again, I got a earring, which is this one. Oh, it's stuck over here. Okay, so these earrings, so these are so good and so pretty. Like these would look so good on me when I wear these. Like it would definitely look good on you when you wear these. Of course, most of not all the stuffs are not from New Market. Some stuffs are from New Market, and all around Kolkata these like are really messed up. So I really remember. So yes, these earrings look so pretty. This tassel kind of things. These are not tassels exactly, but it looked like that, and you can see it's so okay. I just love this one. This is one of my favorites right around here. Okay, so the next earring we have is this beautiful ring kind of earring, you can see. So this is a very beautiful ring kind of earring. I'll zoom in for this earring. I'll zoom this. See, so this also again looks so pretty and so cute. So the next earring I have got is these small bubblies right down here. So we have a small stone fitting, and then with a kind of sticky stick thing, and then we have an round cottony ball attached at the end. So these again are so pretty. These are so pretty. These look so cute, actually very cute. Okay, so again the next earring, oh god, yeah, so the next earring I have are these pair of, oh god. Okay, so the next earrings I have are these two pretty earrings, like sorry, not two, like these pretty pair of earrings right here. These are golden in color and have some kind of white beads on themselves, and these look so pretty again. I just love that. This would look so good when I wear these, and of course I just love these earrings. So okay, next move on to the next. So here I have these cute little earrings. So this is a silver colored earring. Oh, them moving too much. So they are silver colored, like triangular shaped earrings, and they are reflecting light. See, of course these are so pretty. I like them. I just like hanging earrings, all like most probably I like hanging earrings. And yeah, again I have a golden colored earring. So this is again really beautiful, and I just love this. Oh, stop hanging, babes. People need to see you. Oh, stop hanging. Yeah, I think you can just clearly see it. These are also reflecting light. So I just love these two pieces of earrings right here. Now, next what I have is, yeah, this one. So this is again a very beautiful piece of like Indo-Western kind of earring. So this will give you an Indo-Western look. You can wear these with Indian attires, or you can just go with plain kurtis and these earrings and you would look awesome. It will give you a Indo-Western look, and you can even wear these with tops and all to give, you know, a classy Indo-Western look. Like these would just look amazing. These are heavy though when I'm holding them. These are literally a little heavy, but okay, it doesn't matter, because all the way in beauty you need to go something heavy, sometimes slow. So yep, these are this is again one of my favorite pieces. So the next earring I have, oh sorry, yeah, so the next earring, yes, I have is this one. So this is my favorite piece in all of the earrings. I hope you can just clearly see this. These look so pretty. These are so gorgeous, guys. Of course, definitely they are very heavy to wear, but these look so amazing. These are just my love, my mama. Like these are my obsession. I'm just obsessed with these beautiful earrings. Again, you can go with these earrings on an Indo-Western dress, or on a kurti, or on a beautiful long skirt and top. These would just go perfectly well. And again, I'm in love with these earrings. So the next one which I have are these pretty cute golden earrings. These are kind of a, you know, U-shaped, half U, like a half circle U shape. You can just see the work. We have little florals right down there. This is a golden color thingy, and this just again looks so pretty. It's a top actually, but you can just see how pretty this looks, how pretty it is. This looks so good, like so good. So next what I have is these green feathered earrings. So of course this is kind of a hyped up earring, because these just go on, like these are just going on from days and like from years. These are just on the market, and I just purchased these now. Like you might be thinking, Barbie, you too late. Yes, I know that, but I got it and I just love this color and this look, so I just got it. So this is how it looks like. It's really beautiful. And next what I have are these kind of jhumkas type of earrings. Like we have these dome shaped earrings. These again look pretty. They are colorful, and I just again love these jhumka earrings. Of course we call these jhumkas in Indian language basically. So so yes, next what I have are these beautiful tassel earrings. I am just loving these. These are a golden colored, multicolored tassel earrings. So these are golden colored, and this one is a pink, yellow, green, black, blue. So you can just wear this with any color of dress, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 colors right there. So you can just wear it with 5 different colors of dresses, and these would look so gorgeous and so pretty. So next what I have is this hand bracelet, and I hope you can just see it. Oh, it's messed up a little bit, I'm sorry for that. So this is how this one looks like, and this again looks so pretty. Like how pretty. So this is again like you can just wear in weddings, and you can wear with your gowns and lehengas. These just look so awesome. Again, I love this because I like wearing these kind of, you know, handcuff kind of things with rings attached. So again, I love that. Again, I have got some hair extensions. I think I probably should call them hair extensions. So I have a burgundy kind of red color over here, I have a very light goldeny color, and I have a perfect golden color. Then I have a black, I have a brown, deep brown, then a little lighter brown than that. So these are probably like I can add a pop of color over here, and people would think that I've colored my hair, but I've not colored my hair. I've colored my hair over here with little bit golden and red color. But yes, these hair extensions would come from here, and these would look pretty well. And I believe the haul is over. I also got some cosmetic product, and if you want to know, it's basic. If you want to know what I got for the cosmetics. Keep subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, and keep watching my videos here out there. So I'll be posting the cosmetics haul after this video. So now we'll get on to the wearing part. So let's get started. देखिए किसी और को लगी ওটা জমি খান কাটিয়ে আজকে যাবে আর খাওয়া খেয়ে আসবে তাহলে
Seven, xoxo 7.5.